Free stock offers, specifically, Webull's been popping up everywhere lately, and our listener wrote in wondering, what's the catch?
Always a catch.
So I'm looking at this Webull promo right now, and at first glance, it seems pretty straightforward. Open an account, make a deposit, any deposit will do, and boom, free shares, just like that. They even have this whole infographic laying it all out.
Yeah, they make it look so simple, don't they?
Almost too good to be true, which is why we're here. So let's break it down. Their infographic really hammers home these three simple steps.
See, and that right there is the first clue that something else is going on.
What do you mean?
This whole free song and dance.
Yeah.
It's a tale as old as time in the finance world. It's all about customer acquisition cost.
Customer acquisition cost. Okay, so like how much money a company will spend to get you, the customer, to do something.
Precisely. They'll spend some money up front hoping you'll stick around and spend way more down the line.
Okay, I think I'm starting to get it.
Think about those little free samples they give out at the grocery store.
Oh, yeah.
Not really free, are they?
I mean, I guess not.
The store's betting you'll like that bite-sized taste enough to buy the whole darn box.
Makes total sense.
Webull offering free stock? Same idea. They're hoping those free shares, whatever they may be, will turn you into a loyal, paying customer.
Okay, so that's the hook, but then they hit you with this other supposed perk. Zero commission trading.
Ah, yes, the siren song of zero commission.
So for someone who's, say, just starting out in the investing world, is that actually a big deal?
It can be, especially if you're someone who plans on trading frequently, buying and selling a lot.
Okay.
Zero commission just means you're not paying a fee every single time you buy or sell a stock, which can add up.
But that could potentially save someone a good chunk of change then, right?
It certainly has the potential to.
Sounds almost like a win-win. But I have a feeling you're going to say there's a but coming.
There's always a but, my friend, especially when it comes to the fine print.
Oh, the dreaded fine print.
And Webull does mention it, those pesky regulatory and other fees.
Right, buried deep down at the bottom, probably in size 2 font.
Those are the ones to watch out for. They might get you with inactivity fees, for example.
Inactivity fees.
If you don't trade frequently enough, they might start charging you. So it's not really free if you're not constantly buying or selling, is it?
I guess not.
Hmm.
You really do have to read the fine print.
Always read the fine print.
All right, so we've covered the freebies, or maybe not so freebies is more accurate.
Right.
But Webull, they don't just stop there. They really lay on the features. They advertise different account types, in-depth quotes, charting tools, the whole shebang. I mean, it can honestly be a lot to take in, even for someone like me who's been, dabbling in investments for a while.
Absolutely. It can feel like information overload.
So for our listener who's just starting to dip their toes in the investing waters, what are the things they should really be paying attention to?
Out of all the bells and whistles for a true beginner, the ability to do paper trading is invaluable.
Paper trading. That sounds familiar, but remind me.
Okay, so imagine this. You've got your eye on that risky tech stock that everyone and their mother seems to be raving about,
I know the one.
but you're just not quite ready to risk your hard-earned cash on it.
Yeah, makes sense.
With paper trading, you can basically test the waters. You're investing with virtual money. It's basically like playing with Monopoly money.
I love that.
But the key difference is it's using real market data. So you get a feel for how your decisions would actually play out in the real world.
Oh, that's cool.
So it's a fantastic way to learn the ropes, experiment with different investment strategies without having to face any real-world consequences.
Yeah, it's like having training wheels for investing.
Precisely. Look, free stock offers, can they be a fun, engaging way to get started in the world of investing? Sure.
Okay.
But don't let the promise of a few shiny free shares blind you to the bigger picture.
This is good.
It's absolutely crucial to really dig in and understand the platform you're using, Webull or any other. Understand the fees they might sneak in there, and most importantly, understand your own personal investment goals before you even think about jumping in.
So to bring it all back to the listener's original question, if companies like Webull are giving something away for free, what's the catch? They're running a business, not a charity.
Never forget that.
Definitely something to ponder as you explore Webull or, frankly, any other tempting offer out there.
Do your homework, folks. It's your money.
Yeah, couldn't have said it better myself.